Deric, how's your next video coming?
It's going along pretty good. I laid down my my voiceover today, like had the house nice and empty to myself, so I went ahead and did the whole voiceover.
Oh wow, nice.
And I've got all my footage and everything on the timeline. It's probably about 95% edited. Now I'm just going to go through and match up things to my voiceover and, you know, slide things around, and hopefully I'll have it out within the week.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Have you done all your thumbnail ideas and title ideas and stuff?
That's coming next.
That's coming next, yeah.
Honestly, sometimes I find that, depending on how I feel about the video, sometimes for me that can be the biggest slog.
Yes.
Or the fastest thing.
Oh, I've already got like my thumbnail, like the base image is ready. Like as I was going through and editing, I found some things. Yeah, I'd pick some screenshots that I liked, and I use those as my thumbnails right now.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's just about doctoring them up, making them look pretty, you know.
One of the things I'm really going to start leaning into more is not trying to compose the entire thumbnail in one photograph.
Yes.
Rather, like, okay, Zach, for your example, like you're going to take a picture of the PC, then you're going to take another picture of your hands, and then another picture of your face. And then you're going to basically put all three of those as three different layers.
Yes.
So it's way easier to, like, things might not be proportionate, but it's way easier to get everything you want in the frame. But it's very odd, because if you zoom in at the photo, you're like, this looks weird as hell.
Yeah.
Oh,
nice composite image.
Yes. The composite images can get very weird looking, but it almost, I don't know that it really matters that much. You know, like that all happens past the point where the person's already decided whether or not they want to look at the image. I think, I mean, again, we're all just talking theories here, but my life is so much better now that I do more composite thumbnails. So I used to spend so long like trying to get things perfect.
Now rotate your hand a little bit. No, now it's too high. Now it's blocking this thing.
Exactly. Oh, show the tool a little bit more this way. Oh, kind of open up your body so you can see more of the project. And it's like, oh my God, kill me. It took so long to do that.
I know.
It's like it's just storytelling in one single panel. You're trying to telegraph to the audience exactly what it is that they're in for or what they should expect.
That is a great way to think of. Yes, 100%.